Tonight was my third night in a row driving home in the middle of a snowstorm. It's November the 10th. This is the third day in a row that it's snowing in northern Indiana. Isn't it still fall, y'all? What happened? What happened? This is how much snow is on my son's truck that's been parked here all day. How many inches is that? Like another 4? I've been home for about an hour and I have at least an inch on my car. Part of the snow is melted off every day as it hits over 32 in the afternoons, but it just keeps coming. First day of winter isn't until December the 20th. It really feels like winter here already. This is what it's looking like the next morning. So after the 3 days in a row of snow, 3 nights of snow, we probably have, I'm gonna say 8 inches standing on the ground. We've had a little bit of melt each day as the temperature goes over 32. But we still have 8 inches on the ground. Luckily, that's supposed to be the end of it for a while, these 3 days of snow. I'm really tired of driving in it. Let the ducks out to play in the snow. All the gray ducks, this is their first year of seeing snow. This girl's stuck. This sheltered corner up against the house is where the hot water heater exhausts. And the older ducks have discovered in years past that this is a nice warm place to hang out with the exhaust coming out of there and sheltered up against the house. And they've taught the ducklings already, this is the place to be. Also took a few random measurements on the depth of snow. If you're interested, I'll put those at the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.